Greetings everybody, I am Amrita Ale, HOD of Sciences at Premier International IB Continuum School. At Premier, STEAM is not just a school event, it is a celebration of creativity, curiosity and collaboration. यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो बच्चाहरूले चाहिँ they get a platform, they get an opportunity where they see themselves as a young innovator who can make a positive impact in the real world. अनि यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो बच्चाहरूले क्लासरुममा सिकेको कुराहरू आफ्नो सिपहरू चाहिँ अप्लाई गरेर चाहिँ रियल वर्ल्डमा कसरी अप्लाई हुन्छ त्यो पनि देखाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। अनि यसमा चाहिँ हामी एज अ टिचर्सहरू चाहिँ वी आर देयर एज अ फेसिलिटेटर्स, हामीले चाहिँ उहाँहरूको प्रोसेसहरूमा चाहिँ वी प्रोभाइड देम गाइडेन्स। अनि STEAM भन्नाले चाहिँ इट्स नट जस्ट साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी, it's about integration of different subject areas which include technology and science. It's there already, including engineering, arts and maths. अनि यो सबै सब्जेक्टहरू इन्टिग्रेट गरेर चाहिँ हाम्रो बच्चाहरूले सल्युसन्सहरू चाहिँ डिजाइन गर्नुहुन्छ अनि आफ्नो आइडियाजहरू पनि एक्सप्लोर गर्नुहुन्छ। सो इट मेक्स द लर्निङ मोर मिनिङफुल एन्ड एक्साइटिङ फर देम। अनि मलाई चाहिँ सबैभन्दा रमाइलो अनि इन्स्पायरिङ लाग्ने कुरा चाहिँ हाम्रो बच्चाहरूले चाहिँ it allows our students to take the ownership of their own learning. अनि it makes them more confident, more curious and more creative, which is really important for their holistic development and lifelong learning. Thank you.
Okay, so our STEAM project is based upon light pollution. So we realized that the main cause for light pollution is street lights. So we designed a certain type of street light that only works when a car is in motion. Basically what we have here is motion sensors, and this motion sensor senses that a car or a person is in motion, then only it turns on. My friend here is going to demonstrate.
For example, this is the side where the car is going to go around. As you can see, there is
it's turning on right now, and we programmed it so that it can turn on for at least 15 seconds. But if this is going to be used in the future, you can program it to turn on as how long as you like. And just in case there are too many cars on the road, we also made a downward facing shield so that the light doesn't spill into the sky, creating light pollution. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shivansh Khandelwal.
My name is Pradipta Dahal. So our product is a table fan.
So this is a table fan. So basically we have made an electronic with many different things. So like we have used a switch, we have used a motor, and this is a DC motor. We have used a bottle cap, we have used cardboards, and we have used many different wires, tape and batteries.
So this product can be made in different situations. For example, if it's a very hot day, then you can just turn this on. And plus it doesn't require any electricity. So when there's no light, just turn it on.
And then this is also a model, it spins anti-clock. So our switch is a previous switch where it moves clockwise, and another one it moves anti-clockwise. And when you leave it, it does not move at all.
So this is our product, and I hope you all like it so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Durgesh, the head of Department of Design and Technology here in Premier School. So basically all you can see that this is an STEAM exhibition, which is one of the core exhibition from the Design and Technology as a school exhibition as well. And we mostly focus on the learning from the theoretical basis, but this time what we do that we have extended are all the potentials for getting the tangible products here. And when I say the tangible products, we are looking for which actually is executed and which actually can be implemented by the students' knowledge. Everyone gets stuck to the theoretical part and just looks into the practical, maybe from the different platforms on the Google or maybe from on the internet. But here we want our students to learn from the practical approach, where they are working with the n number of resources, as you can see in the experiences and in the projects here. that most of their other Arduino kit experiences, those are the projects from the Arduino where students actually learn the codings. They have come up with the multiple sensors, maybe the wiring systems, all the hands-on basically the skills. And based on the lower grades as well, in grade 6 and 7, they are working on the energy transformation and the simple machines. So the overall concept here is to give the holistic approach of the learning and making sure that it's just not stick to the books, but they are coming out of their comfort zone and making them explain and actually experiencing in the real life applications. Here in the exhibition, students have given their hard work, all the time they have getting all through the classes, making all their efforts, even they are working back at home, and this is how the learning we see here in the Premium. And from the design approach, if you look at how the design and technology, the subject is supporting the stream. Yes, they have a subject called as design and technology, where students are actually learning the basic skills of the design. What are the real life needs, the real life applications, what are the actually the requirement of the society as well. So they are countering all those problems. They are coming with all those mind maps, how they can provide the different solutions to them, and they're just working on. So this is just an project-based learning, we are able to describe it here, but this is not just an exhibition, but this is how the actual learning here in the Premiere also look like. So this is all from the design team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Preetha Saraugi from grade 7 Blue. Today is the day of the STEM exhibition, the day we've all been waiting for. For this day, we had been preparing for weeks and weeks, and this was a really tireless journey, but it was so fun. For this day, me and my group were making a project called Motion Powered Streetlight. It's a product where when a vehicle passes, the sensor sends a signal to the light and the light turns on automatically. Whether it's a vehicle or a pedestrian, it detects it and it sends the signal to the light. I learned a lot from this journey. I learned about collaboration skills. I really enhanced them. I learned about how to look from the government's perspective and what changes I could make from my products. I had a lot of challenges too, like the sensors weren't working and the light wasn't turning on very brightly. It was really dim. But then we looked for solutions together as a group and we did it. Before I end, I also want to say thank you to all the mentors and teachers who helped me make this product. I could have not done it all by myself. So thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is our STEAM project. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics.
So for our STEAM exhibition, we have decided to make a wind turbine project. So this wind turbine project is just showing how wind energy can be converted easily into electricity.
So as you can see here, the theme for our STEAM project is energy transformation. So the wind turbine will attract the wind, and as we spin it, it's gonna glow these LED lights. So let's test it out.
As you can see, there's 2 light bulbs that's glowing because of this energy.
So because we're in Kathmandu, this cannot spin by itself, because in Kathmandu, unlike areas like Mustang, there is less powerful wind that can make these blades spin around. So for the STEAM project, we're gonna think situationally based, and that is why we are using this as a product, as turbines can be 100 feet up in the air, and in areas like Mustang, they'll have enough air to make these blades spin.
We've also made these manually because these are all being made manually, because as he said, these are only found in Mustang because there's very strong winds over there, and in Nepal we mostly use power heads, and this is also showing a great way how to use wind turbines in Kathmandu.
Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I figured out how I'm going to express my thoughts, my ideas, my emotions. Today is the day I can finally show people how I've been for the last 2 weeks. How I've woken up at 1 AM trying to figure out how wires work. Or how I've been there for almost 1 week. For the last 1 week, I haven't slept. I've been trying to watch videos, trying to learn robotics, trying to learn how to code. But now, today, after I express all my ideas, after I show people my project, I can finally take a breath of relief. I can say it was worth it. Everything was so damn worth it. Because now I can say It was a wonderful idea, an innovative idea. A device that can be used during earthquakes. A device that can be used during earthquakes to search for people, rescue people, look for people in abandoned buildings, which I've demolished. Another fact, I've been here for 3 weeks trying to understand how I'm going to build my product. I thought of it, I figured it out, I made a blueprint, but then I figured out how I'm going to get the products. How am I going to get the modules? But now, today, after all everybody said, my product was very unique, very innovative, and very nice. I'm happy, at last. I'm a Primarian. Thank you.